Hi, my name is Michael Weinstein, and I'm a biomedical engineer with Aquagold Pharmaceuticals. Today I'll be introducing the Aquagold finetouch, the world's first and only direct dermal delivery device. Each 24-karat gold-plated microneedle has a unique screw thread design, which allows for personalized treatment to be delivered directly to the dermis. Thinner than a human hair, the Aquagold finetouch has a needle diameter of 130 microns and a length of 600 microns. We also offer the Aquagold finetouch CM, the consumer model, which has a shorter needle length of 250 microns. With the unique patented screw thread design, the Aquagold finetouch delivers treatments to the epidermal dermal junction of your skin. This allows for painless treatments without any bleeding. The versatility of the Aquagold finetouch allows it to be used with both injectables and topicals. Our doctors use it with neuromodulators, hyaluronic acid, customized vitamin solution, growth factors, PRP, and much more. After removing your Aquagold finetouch from the sterile packaging, transfer solution into the empty vial. Screw the needle head onto the vial and gently mix the solution. Remove the cap. Your Aquagold finetouch is ready to be used. Invert and gently apply to the desired treatment area. Our doctors typically prepare 1 cc of treatment solution. Please note that some solutions take longer to flow to the dermis due to varied viscosity. To optimize your use of Aquagold finetouch, please keep the following guidelines in mind. Always use the Aquagold finetouch perpendicular to the skin. The skin surface should also be parallel to the ground. Do not drag or tap forcefully when using Aquagold finetouch. 10 to 30 instances of pre-tapping on the treatment area maximizes stimulation and collagen regeneration of the skin. Tap slowly and steadily around the treatment area. Make approximately 2 to 3 passes on the same treatment area during the session. For safety reasons, the Aquagold finetouch should not be used on more than 1 patient per treatment. Mild redness may occur and should subside in approximately 10 minutes. No bleeding should occur. If bleeding does occur, please contact your Aquagold finetouch customer advocate. Thank you for choosing Aquagold finetouch. For further assistance, call us at 1-800-55-FINETOUCH or visit us on the web at aquagoldfinetouch.com.